Well, hello calculator people, and welcome back to math class. We are in week 6, and we are going to graph a line using slope. So says graph the line that has a slope of 6 and includes 0.03. So how do you do that? First, you're going to find your point, 0, 3. Remember, these are x and y written. So your x is 0 and your y is 3. So 0, 3. Okay, click on that point. Now we have a slope of 6. Well, that's a whole number. And when you have a whole number, that is your slope, you can change your whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. So you can think of this as 6 over 1. And with slope, it's rise over run. So you rise or fall up and down your elevator, and you run across doors. So for this one, we have a rise of 6. So we are going to go up 6 floors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are going to run across 1 door. All right. Let's go up a level. Now for this one, graph the line that has a slope of -1/2 and includes the point 2, 4. Remember, this is x, y. So we are going, our x is laying here horizontally, and your y stands up and down on one leg. So we have 2, 4 right there. Click on that point. Now a slope of -1/2. So the negative tells us we're going to go down 1 floor and then 2. Run across 2 doors. There we go. All right, so let's jump up another level. And we are going to graph the line that has a slope of -1/9 and includes the point 0, -3. All right, 0. -3, 1, 2, 3. Click on that point there. And if we have a slope of -1/9, so we're going to fall down 1 floor, and we are going to run across 9 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And click on that point. You have a line. All right, let's go up one more level. All right, this is the other way it's going to show you these. And it's going to give you the y-intercept of -5. Well, that looks a little different, doesn't it? Remember, your y-intercept is just where your line goes across your y-axis, which is standing up and down on its one leg, right here in the middle. And it tells us our y-intercept is -5. So you click on -5, and that is one of your points of your line. Your slope is 3/8. So we're going to ride our elevator up 3 floors. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to run across 8 doors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click that point and hit submit. All right, looks like we can go up another level here. This is our last level, and it says slope of -5 and y-intercept of 10. Well, our y-intercept, it crosses our y-axis right here at 10, and a slope of -5. Remember, at the very beginning, I told you you could take any whole number and put it over 1, and you will have your fraction. So this would be -5 over 1. So your rise, well, you're going to fall 5 floors, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to run past 1 door. All right. And then go back a couple of times to see if I can get a sample of a 0 slope. Let's see if it always gives you slightly different ones. Everyone will have something slightly different. And of course it's not going to give me 1. I did it earlier and it gave me 1. Alright, well I'm going to show you what happens when you get a 0 slope. Alright, we're just going to go with this one. Imagine if this said your slope was 0. What would that look like? Okay, so we're going to just go with, it says y-intercept. Our y-intercept, remember, is going to be where the line is going to cross the y-axis. Now, if you are given a slope of 0, not all of you will be, but some of you will. If you have a slope of 0, you are going to pick any other points on this horizontal line. And then you click submit. Because if you have a slope of 0, it does not go up, it does not go down, you have a horizontal line. Okay? You can definitely do this week, calculator people. And if you are behind, reach out to me, contact me. It is definitely not too late to catch up. You have plenty of time to do that. You just need to schedule your time, okay? So reach out to me. Let me help you figure out how you can get caught up. You don't even have to get all caught up this week. You still have time. All right. Well, until next time, calculator people, have a great week.